All right, guys, you guys are insane. I can't believe you guys wanted to race these things. But this is bike number one. So we got a Honda CRF 150R RB. Very clean. It's got the big wheel version. But yeah, you guys are crazy. I mean, I think this is super fun, but I hope you guys know what you're asking for. So here's a quick lap. I can't hit everything because there is some mud here and there, but it'll give you guys an idea of what it looks like. Oh baby, let's get her curve. Forgot to mention I don't have a front brake. All right, there it is, guys. Like I said, I got no front brake, so I can't set up well, but these things are freaking sweet. You guys are in for a fucking beating, I'll tell you that.